Hi, it's Dave and Ken in front of the Silverado at Northern Quest Resort and Casino.
Hey Dave, what would you do if you won?
Oh, I've got some
I've got
ideas.
some big news. The bank finally came through, and I'm holding the keys to a brand new Chevrolet. Have you been outside? It sure is a nice night. How about a little test drive down by the lake? There's a place I know about where the dirt road runs out. We can try out the four-wheel drive.
I don't know about all that. I'd take the $70,000.